Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to hide photo on iPhone. Yeah, this my photo. I want to hide it. So example, I want to hide four photo in here. Yeah, in photo. Yeah, now I click photo and then I click select 1 2 3 4. Yeah, you see 4 photo in here. I want to hide, yeah, and then I click this, yeah, and then I click hide, yeah, hide for photo, yeah. If I want to find this photo, you can check photo and then you see hide it, then I click hide, then you see this photo. If I want to hide this more, you just go to setting and then you find photo. Yeah, you see photo, and then hidden album, you just click off, yeah, and then go to home screen and then you click photo and you find hide, no, utility, no help, yeah, and my photo don't have. Okay, if you want you transfer, if you want to see your photo, where your photo, you can click setting and then find photo and click hidden album on and photo, you find utility over here, you see hidden, and then you click your photo and then click this one and find unhide, yeah, and then you see your photo it's built back, yeah, you see built back already. Okay, thank you everyone, hope you guys understand about this video and hope you subscribe, like, comment and share on my video. Okay, thank you everyone, bye bye.